is data types in Java. What are data types? Data types in a programming language, basically in any programming language, data type is a set of data which tells some values having predefined characteristics. Simply, data type tells the type of a data, that at what type our data belongs. There are two basic types in Java: primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are those that are not type of objects. So there are 8 primitive data types supported by Java. Primitive data types are predefined by the language and named as a keyword. So basically, primitive data types are predefined and known as keyword. Primitive types are not objects, so does not have any method for further processing. We can see in left session and further left session number 3 or 4 that what does this mean, that if we are going to access any object, so we have different methods defined in a class so that objects are created and executed those methods. So as primitive data types are not objects, so they can be accessed directly. Now, what are non-primitive data type? It is a reference data type which are references to objects. That means to access non-primitive data type, we need to create objects. So with the help of objects, we can access these data types, including classes, interfaces, arrays, strings, etc. Now this is a chart for data type. Data types are divided into two types: primitive and non-primitive. In primitive, that is predefined data types, we have a boolean data type having a keyword boolean. Now next is numeric. In numeric, we have two categories: character and integral. For character data type, we have keyword char, that is char. And next is in integral, we have further two categories: integer and floating point. In integer, we have 4 categories: byte, short, int, long, depending upon our input size. We use different integer data type for numeric data, and for decimal data or floating point, we have two data type, that is float and double. In Java, floating point is normally considered as double. So if we want to write in float data type, we have to convert it into float. By default, Java consider every decimal number as a double data type. Now these are the different representation in Java. Java literals is, a literal is a source code representation of a fixed value. When we have to define a fixed value in Java, so that's representation is known as Java literals. As we can see, there are different values having different data type: byte, character, integer, and a string. And here string is written as within double quotes. Now these are some special format for writing new line, space, tab, double quote, single quote, \. These are as similar as in C++ language and C language. Now, what are non-primitive data types? Non-primitive data types are reference data type, that is, reference variable are created using defined constructors of the classes. What are the constructors? You will see in further. So basically, for now, at this moment, we have to consider non-primitive data types needs a real-world object to access their methods. These variables are declared to be of specific type that cannot be changed. Representation of non-primitive data types includes, first of all, we have to write class name, then we have to give a variable name, then is equals to, then new is a keyword for creating new class, and again we use same class name as a constructor. As example, circle the class name, then we have variable C, that is a object of this class, then we have a new keyword, then we have same class name,